Recently, na-admit sa clinic si Cookie dahil hindi siya makaihi at nagkaroon ng obstruction sa kanyang urethra. At dahil sa experience na to, naparesearch ako and this is what I found out. Ang feline lower urinary tract disease or FLUTD ay maraming types and causes. Number 1, feline idiopathic cystitis or FIC. Ito ay bladder inflammation with no identifiable cause. Ang stress ay kinukonsider as the major contributing factor. Number 2, urololysis or bladder stones. This is the formation of stones or crystals in the bladder. Ito ay maaaring dulot sa sobrang minerals sa ihi, dehydration, or poor diet. Number 3, urethral obstruction. Ito ay maaaring complete or partial na pagbara sa urethra, typically caused by a buildup of stones, crystals, or mucus plug. Number 4, urinary tract infection or UTI. Ito ay bacterial infection sa bladder or urinary tract,